Hi friends, my name is Arvin. I want to tell I want to tell you about animal cases. This is Scott, and this is Apollo, and this is Leo, and this is what?
Mammoth. Secret meeting.
Secret meeting. And this is Galen. And this is Harper's Wheel. And this is Atlas. And this is the power. Ultimate power. And this one is Johnson and Airback. Japanese Airback. This is Aris. And this is the last one is Sasuke. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.